Alfalfa grass, high protein content, known as the king of grass. It has been considered the preferred animal feed of all grasses. What are the advantages of processing alfalfa grass into feed pellets? Feed particles are small in size, easy to store and transport, and have good palatability to avoid fussy animal diet, reduce food waste. How to make alfalfa forage pellets.
The first step: pulverize alfalfa grass to size suitable for pelleting. Yulong Company research and development of efficient shredder. There are two kinds of series of single-axis and double-axis high efficiency, large output open door design on both sides, easy to replace the screen, low maintenance cost.
The second step, pellet machine, is used to produce granules from prepared materials. Yulong vertical centrifugal high-efficiency ring mold pellet machine combines the advantages of traditional horizontal ring mold and flat mold pellet machine, suitable for different materials. Ensure the suppression effect. The mold is made of stainless steel with high wear resistance and vacuum quenching. Ultra-high-speed gun drill holes of high finish. The mold is wearable and easy to use. The surface of the press wheel adopts robot surfacing welding wear-resisting material, which greatly improves the
main shaft is thickened by 15%, and the new high-stiffness bearing structure is adopted. Compared with the previous generation of machine, the bearing capacity is doubled, and the failure rate of the particle machine is reduced. Shandong Yulong, 24 years of service to tens of thousands of customers, is committed to creating maximum value for customers. Tel 86186156923222